Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back. Last week, I talked about why you shouldn't buy the Powerbeats Pro. In fact, I gave 5 reasons why. If you want to find out why, you can watch this video over here. But suffice to say that this pair of earbuds might not be for everyone. So if you're one of those people, maybe you think that the Powerbeats Pro looks kind of odd with that ear hook design, you don't really like that. Or maybe you're not so excited about the new H1 chip because you're an Android user. We are here to talk alternatives, and I'm going to show you 3 alternatives to the new Powerbeats Pro that you can buy right now. Now, these earbuds have to meet the following criteria. They've got to be True Eyes earbuds because after all, the Powerbeats Pro are True Eyes earbuds, so it doesn't make sense to recommend something that is not truly wireless. It's got to be water resistant, at least, and it's also got to have great, reliable Bluetooth connectivity. So even if it's Bluetooth 4.2, it must be very reliable. If it's got Bluetooth 5.0, even better. So basically it's got to be great for sports is all I'm saying. Okay, so I've looked at the alternatives in the market and I've narrowed down to these 3 earbuds at various price points. And the first alternative that I will recommend is the JBL 3X. Now, aside from the fact that it's water resistant and it's got great Bluetooth connection, there are a few reasons why I would pick the 3X. It's got pretty decent sound quality. I mean, it sounds pretty clear and it's got a rather decent amount of bass. They've also got silicone sleeves so that when you put them on, it stays better in your ears when you're working out. But probably the biggest reason why I chose the 3X is that it offers the same battery life as the Powerbeats Pro at almost half the price point. They've got 4 hours of juice in the buds, extra 5 charges in the case, total battery life 24 hours. Same as the Powerbeats Pro, but at almost half the price point, $130. So you can see why the JBL 3X is what I regard as a great value for money alternative to the Powerbeats Pro. The next one costs a little bit more than the 3X. It's $170, but I still regard it as a great value for money alternative to the Powerbeats Pro. And of course, I'm talking about the Jabra Elite 65T. IPX5 water resistant Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, has an app called the Sound Plus app that lets you perform or activate various features, a full suite of music, volume and phone call button controls on the earbuds themselves, very intuitive, and it's also got a great ambient pass-through feature, something which the Powerbeats Pro sorely lacks. And you also get one of the best phone call quality in a pair of earbuds. I mean, the entire thing, the design, the technology is all geared towards optimizing phone call quality. 4 microphones, 2 microphones in each earbud. It may sound like an overkill, but it works really well. So that's why I feel that it's a great alternative, value for money alternative to the Powerbeats Pro. Of course, it's not perfect. There are certain things about it that I wish could be better. I just wish Jabra could have thrown in a couple of silicone sleeves, so that you could really use them for working out. It's water resistant, but it tends to slip out of your ears when your ears are wet from sweat or moisture. I also feel that there could be a few more extra charges in the case. Right now it's got 15 hours. I keep pointing there because I have it right there. Let me grab it. Okay, here you've got up to 15 hours of battery, 5 hours in the buds, and 10 hours in the case. Total battery life, 15 hours. But wouldn't it be great if we could have up to like 20 hours or 24 hours of juice in total, right? But then again, I guess Jabra didn't really want to make the case any bigger than this, because if you were to look at the JBL 3X's case, it's way bigger than the Jabra's, and this one contains an additional, it's got a bigger battery, of course. It's got like 5 extra charges inside. This one has got 2 extra charges. So I guess something's really got to give, but still I consider the Jabra Elite 65T to be a great value for money alternative to the Powerbeats Pro. My next recommendation costs $300. So if I were to say that this is great value for money, I might get slapped, bros. Okay, but truth be told, it does certain things so well that I feel it is justified paying $300 for this product. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earbuds, $300, mass premium model, IPX4 water resistant, Bluetooth 5.0, but it also supports aptX codec, and it is the only True Wireless earbuds out there that supports the aptX low latency or LLLL codec. So if you're on Android and you love playing video games and watching videos on your phone, this is the best latency performance that you can get from a pair of true wireless earbuds. Now I remember this vividly. Not because it just happened yesterday, but I was sitting in this chair. I was playing PUBG on the Oppo R17 Pro. I was using the Sennheisers and I was enjoying the game because I was getting the best audio to video latency performance I've ever gotten from a pair of true wireless earbuds. And it sounds really good. These are by far the best sounding true wireless earbuds I've ever tried. They've also got an app which lets you tweak the sound you're liking and access features like ambient sound pass-through, which, like I said before, the Powerbeats Pro do not have. And the touch controls are rather intuitive. So this is why I feel that the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds is a great alternative to the Powerbeats Pro, albeit a more expensive, premium priced alternative. But even at such a lofty price point, there are some things about it which I feel could be better. For example, its battery life. 12 hours of battery in total, 4 hours in the buds, 8 hours in the case. It's half the battery life of the Powerbeats Pro and even the JBL Free X. And it doesn't have any silicone sleeves or stability fins. I mean, at this price point, these are things that Sennheiser could have very well thrown in, but they've chosen not to. But in terms of stability, they're pretty okay. The Sennheisers, they stayed pretty well in my ears. When I was on my e-scooter, I was wearing them all day, and never once did I feel that they were gonna fall out of my ears, even when my ears are like slightly sweaty. So I mean, if you want to work out with them, they should stay in your ears pretty well, even without any sort of silicone sleeves, stability fins. Okay, so these are the 3 alternatives to the Powerbeats Pro that I will recommend right now. All of these are great earbuds for working out, great for general purpose use, and great alternatives to the Powerbeats Pro. But I want to know what you guys think. Which of these 3 earbuds do you feel is the best alternative to the Powerbeats Pro? The Powerbeats Pro is coming out in May. If you had to pick one right now, which of these 3 would you choose? Tell me in the comment section below and perhaps even tell me why, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please, like always, punch that like button with a vengeance and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you. So ring the bell. Thank you guys for watching again. My name is Aaron and I'll see you again in the next video.